the power of Indriyas to focus or to divert is so much that my brain do not understand how my Indriyas are working. Indriyas are more powerful than brain because Indriya is like a software. Brain is like what is already kept programming per capacity to all the Indriyas, input output devices. When you are typing, the typing is what is called the input output device. But it has to go to the processor in the computer to understand the word and then look for the spelling correction and then tell you grammar is not correct. While typing, it is not understanding, right? So our Indriyas are like typing machines. The brain is like that processor which understands whether the grammar is correct, spelling is correct. It takes some time. So Indriyas react very fast. So some people brain is more active. Thinking is more active. A person who is more thinking, the Indriyas will not react very fast. Natural, each one that keeps changing. Childhood it can be different, after some time it can be different, after some time it can be different. So don't worry, all that is normal. For some people, emotion is more. Somebody is crying, then their buddhi will not work. So because their manas is very active. For some people, even if somebody is crying, they are very sharp. Their brain will work very fast, right? So depends on, if somebody is totally emotional, his energy will not be there. Somebody is sick, he will not be able to lift them. The other person, when somebody is sick only, they will be getting more energy to lift people. No, correct. So all these are some sort of an equation, role play. Who is playing what? Which part of your body becomes more powerful? Whether it is emotional power, whether it is intellectual power, whether it is physical power. Some people very bright, but when there is a group of people, they will not get anything. Public speaking nil. They can react to person very nicely. But same person, when you meet in a group, they will not talk to them. Because social skills are missing. But that is not because they don't have social skill. They need to be in such place, then social skill will come. They need to get programmed themselves. Okay. All these powers are distributed equally for everyone. But when to use it, how to use it, whether he will be able to use it or not, depends on the situations, satsang, group of activities which you put. That all require a lot of practice and practice. Continuous. Doesn't matter. What is most essential is spiritual. Assume that you are highly spiritual, then all these balance will come automatically. It will come to you. By default, it comes to you. Your beauty also will change. Your beauty is not depends on how you are by birth. The more number of people react to you, more number of people look at you, the more number of people love you, then you will become more. It's a reflection. That's called a spiritual beauty.